So students, we were discussing about periodic motion, that is simple pendulum. Now we will describe the simple pendulum. Here, as you can see, it consists of a thread-like wire or a thread-like structure. Then it has a bob at its end, a ball-like structure which we call a bob. A simple pendulum consists of a small metallic ball or a piece of stone. You can also make it at a home. You can tie with a thread a piece of stone. Then the metallic ball is called the bob of the pendulum. Here you can see pendulum at rest is called mean position. This position is called O position, and it is called mean position. When the bob of the pendulum is released, when you will give it a bit push or pull, you will see the bob will go in to and fro motion. Then the maximum distance it can travel in my left will be A. Let us suppose this, and the maximum distance it can travel in my right is B. Then A and B are called extreme position. These are called extreme position, and position O is called mean position, and is called mean position. The pendulum is said to have completed one oscillation. Now, what is oscillation? When the bob of the pendulum is released after taking slightly to one side, it begins to move to and fro. This to and fro motion is periodic motion, or we call oscillatory motion. Means it travels from O to A, then back to O, then B, then back to O. Means it follows to and fro motion, and that motion is called oscillatory motion. It is periodic because it repeats itself after a regular interval of time. Now here, the pendulum is said to have completed one oscillation when its bob, starting from mean position O, moved to A, then to B and back to O. Now what is one oscillation? Now, if this is your pendulum, suppose your pendulum is at O position, that is called mean position, and from O it go to A, then B, and then back to O. This is called one oscillation. Or you can simply say from A to B and B to A. It means उसी पोजीशन से स्टार्ट करके उसी पोजीशन पे आ जाने में हम उस टाइम, कितना टाइम वो कवर करेगा उसे बोलेंगे टाइम पीरियड, और उस एक कंप्लीट साइकिल को बोलेंगे वन ऑसिलेशन. So oscillation, I'm going to repeat again. Oscillation, the pendulum is said to have completed one oscillation when bob starting from mean position O moves to A and then to B and then back to O. The pendulum complete one oscillation starting from O and reaching back to O again, or starting from A reaching back to A again, starting from B or reaching back to B position again. That is called one oscillation. And time taken by pendulum to complete one oscillation is called time period. Here we have an activity. Set up the simple pendulum as shown with a thread or string of length nearly 1 meter. Switch off the fan so that there is no disturbance. When we will switch on the fan, then there will be mean position will be stable. It will be stable in its mean position because there will be no fluctuation. And then after, you will note the time period using stopwatch from O to A, then back to this position and then back to O. So starting from O, we will reach back to O, then we will note the time period, then that time period will be called time period to complete one oscillation. So Set up the simple pendulum as shown with the thread or a string of length nearly 1 meter. Switch off the fan. Let the bob of the pendulum come to rest at mean position. Mark the mean position on the floor. We will mark the mean position on the floor or behind the wall. To note the time period of the pendulum, we need a stopwatch. If stopwatch is not available, then we can use our digital clocks. To set the pendulum in motion, gently hold the bob, gently hold and give it a slight push. Then it will start moving to and fro. Now release the bob from the displaced position. Remember, the bob is not to be pushed, it is just to be released. So, measure the time taken by pendulum to complete 20 oscillations. You have to measure the time to complete 20 oscillations. Means from O, if you are measuring from O, then it will come back to O for 20 oscillations, for 20 complete oscillations. Then the time, for example, time taken for 20, as you can see in this example, the time taken for 20 oscillation is 42. For example, for 20 oscillation time taken is 42, then one oscillation time taken will be 42 divided by 20. It will come 2.1 time period. So similarly, you can complete this box. You can tie a stone at the end of the thread and you can slightly push. You will see the time period will remain same if it is same pendulum. It will not vary. Time taken by one oscillation will be same as time taken by another oscillation. I hope I'm clear with this topic. So today we have covered motion. What is motion? When an object changes position with respect to time, then that is called motion. We have discussed slow motion and fast motion. Slow motion is when an object covers a particular distance in greater time, and fast motion is when object covers the particular distance in lesser time. Then we have studied the definition of speed. Speed is total distance traveled by total time taken, which we call more accurately average speed. Then units of average speed is kilometers per hour or meter per second, means unit of distance divided by unit of time. Then we have studied how to measure time using clocks. Nowadays we use digital clocks and wall clocks. Earlier we used to measure by using pendulum clocks. Pendulum clocks follow the principle of oscillatory motion, that is periodic motion to and fro. And what is mean position? The stable position is called mean position, and the extreme position or maximum point to which the bob can move is called extreme positions. Then we have studied time period. Now what is one oscillation? Time taken to complete one complete, like from extreme to extreme position time taken, and from mean to mean, that is called oscillation. And what is time period? Time taken by pendulum to complete one oscillation. So please go through the chapter again and read it till page number 147, the topic before time period of simple units of time and speed. So please go through the chapter again and again and read it. Also go through video 1, which I have uploaded day before yesterday. So keep studying. Thank you.